Welcome back. In the last video, we got the snake moving and added the score display, but the score didn't change yet. In this video, we'll add collision detection so the snake can eat food and place the food in random locations. Let's dive in. First, we check if the snake's head is close to the food using if head, distance food 20. This means the snake has eaten the food if they're within 20 pixels. Next, we'll generate random x and y coordinates with x equals at random 380, 380 and y equals at random 380, 380, placing the food anywhere within the game's boundaries. Then, we move the food to the new position with food, go to xy, keeping the game dynamic as the snake chases the food. We'll add body parts when the snake eats food and store them in a list called parts. Using the turtle module, we create each part with part new equals t, turtle, set its speed to 0, give it a square shape and color it gray. We call part new, pen up to stop drawing, then add it to the parts list. Although the parts are created, they aren't yet attached to the snake. We'll need to position them behind the head and make sure they follow the snake's movements. Now that we've created the snake's body parts, let's make sure they follow the snake's movements. Each time the snake moves, we'll shift the position of the body parts to follow the head. We'll loop through the list of body parts in reverse order, moving each part to the position of the one in front of it. This will create the illusion of the snake's body following the head. Finally, the first body part will always follow the snake's head, making the movement smooth as the snake grows. Now that the body parts follow the snake's movements, let's run the code to see it in action. When you run the code, the snake should move, grow, and have each segment follow the head smoothly. If something's not working right, check the position updates and parts list management. Let's run the code and check it out. Now that the body parts follow the snake's movements, let's run the code and watch everything come together. You should see the snake moving and growing, with each new segment following smoothly behind the head. One thing to note is that the snake can currently move beyond the screen edges. In upcoming videos, we'll fix this by adding boundaries to prevent the snake from going out of bounds. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next tutorial.